Good morning. Thank you for calling Embassy Hotel. This is Romel speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, good day. I would like to book a room, please.
I'll be happy to help you with that. May I have your full name first?
My name is Cheryl May Barrot.
Thank you, Mr. Barrett. What type of room would you like to book?
I would like a single room, please.
Great choice. And would you like this to be a guaranteed reservation? That means the room will be held for you even if you arrive later than expected, secured with a credit card.
Yes, please make it a guaranteed reservation.
Understood. May I know your check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be checking in on Friday, December 15, and checking out on Sunday, December 17.
Let me check that for you. Good news, we have a single room available for those dates. Our single room is for one guest with comfortable queen-size bed, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, and a hot-cold shower. It also comes with a mini bar, fridge, a complimentary toiletries. Just to inform you, our check-in and time starts at 9 a.m. and our check-out is at 7 a.m. Is that alright for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Our rate room for the single room is 4,200 pesos per night and already includes breakfast for 2 nights. Your total will be 8,400 pesos. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, let's proceed.
Since this will be your guaranteed reservation, I'll be needing a credit card to secure it. May I have your credit card details, please?
Sure, it's a Visa card, and the number is 095555693333.
Thank you. May I also have your contact number and your email address for our records?
Number is 095555693333, and my email address is cherylbarrett24@gmail.com.
Thank you, Miss Barrett. Let me just confirm everything. I have to check the file so far. All set. Just a reminder, please bring your valid ID and a credit card you will use upon booking check-in.
Okay, noted.
Wonderful. Just to make everything clear, let me summarize your reservation. You book a guaranteed single room at Embassy Hotel, good for one guest, with a queen-size bed, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom. You'll be checking in at Friday on December 15 at 9 a.m. and checking out on Sunday, December 17 at 7 a.m. For the total of 2 nights, the rate is 4,020 pesos per night with breakfast included. So your total would be 8,400 pesos used to be charged with your Visa card ending in 3333. Please bring a valid ID. At the same time, upon checking in, your contact details on the file are 095555 and Cheryl Barra 24. Is that everything, Miss Barra?
Yes, everything is correct. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. We look forward to having you at Embassy Hotel. Have a great day and safe travels. Goodbye.
Fogo, fogo, fogo no poder. Norte taca lá dentro do taca lá dentro do baile. Taca lá dentro do baile. Norte taca lá dentro do baile. Taca lá dentro do baile. Taca lá dentro do baile. Norte taca lá dentro do baile. Norte taca lá dentro do baile. Norte taca lá dentro do baile. Taca lá dentro do baile. A Levina no carro.